Meaning of dashboard.
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 Dashboard. A dashboard is a graphical user interface that displays key information in a simplified and easy-to-understand format. It typically consolidates data from multiple sources to provide a real-time overview of a particular system or process. Dashboards often use visualizations such as charts and graphs to help users quickly identify trends and patterns, and they may also include alerts and notifications to draw attention to important issues. Overall, a well-designed dashboard can facilitate data-driven decision-making and increase operational efficiency by presenting complex information in a clear and concise manner.